What's going on, guys? My name's Chris. You're watching Raising the Bar. Today we're going to be talking about celebrating wins. We need to be celebrating all of the small things. And the reason that we need to be doing that is really simple. Because in order for us to strictly focus on the end game or closing that big sale or maybe starting that business and making it your full-time job or maybe getting that promotion, we need to start small. We need to start small, and the reason that we need to do that is because it's those small things that stagger on top of one another, building up over time, that get us to that next level. And the reason we should be celebrating that is because it's progression. That level of progression is what's going to help you get there and get there sooner. So by setting small, attainable goals for yourself every single day and holding yourself accountable and actually being able to follow through with it, that is worth celebrating because that showed a level of commitment, a level of dedication, and you were able to accomplish something. Everybody can do this. You need to start small. Maybe it's getting up an hour earlier. Nobody wants to really do that. We all love to sleep. Nobody wants to wake up to an alarm clock. But if you can wake up an hour earlier, that is worth celebrating because that is something that was difficult for you to do. You followed through with it and you did it. Maybe in that hour you go to the gym, maybe you jump on a treadmill or go for a run, go for a walk. Well, guess what? You did something that you thought about in your mind and you followed through with it. That is worth celebrating. And I'm not talking about throwing a party or anything like that, but I'm talking about the celebration in the form of emotional gratification and feeling good about what it is that you did. That's the celebration. Feeling good, feeling empowered, knowing that you were able to set something up for yourself and follow through with it. Based on your occupation, there's a lot of measurable metrics in most occupations that you could typically analyze. So if you are in that position where there is a metric that you can analyze, I want you to sit down, craft a plan to try to get to or above that metric that's set out for you. And as you're growing and you're growing month to month, maybe you're not hitting that metric, but if you're going in the right direction, that's worth celebrating. We can even bring it back a step further and talk about how your day is structured. Maybe there's time in the day that you're not utilizing efficiently, and if you sit down, you figure out how you can utilize that time more efficiently, and then moving forward, you adhere to what you set up for yourself, that's a win. It's these small little habits that we need to talk about in order to help get to the next level, to feel good about what we're doing on a daily basis. Because that is the fundamental, that's the foundation that's going to get us and progress us to the next phase of our lives. I myself find it difficult to celebrate these small wins. This is something that I'm personally working on because I'm never satisfied. And I'm not saying that as a boastful thing. I genuinely mean it. I'm never satisfied, and I don't know whether it stems from greed or imposed pressure, but I'm never satisfied with anything that I do. I always think I could do better. Could always do better. We can always improve. It's not worth celebrating. I'm in sales. I'm in business-to-business sales. I speak with CEOs, CFOs, and I work with them for various business operations. I don't want to get too deep in the weeds there, but there's a lot of measurables that go into getting these meetings with these CEOs and CFOs. And typically what that would entail would be a series of phone calls, emails, LinkedIn messages. All of these are measurable. And when you sit down and you say, all right, I'm going to make 75 calls today, send out 30 emails and 15 LinkedIn messages, and you do that consistently and you track and you measure and you hit those targets every single day, well, guess what? That's going to get you that much closer to those meetings. This is going to look very different for the most of you out there based on your occupation and what you do on the day-to-day, but I want you to sit down, think about what you can do that's measurable or attainable on a daily basis that you can integrate into your life that is perhaps challenging and rewarding at the same time. If you do not work in an occupation where you cannot measure something, we need to sit down and think about what it is that we can do that's going to improve upon our existing situation. And celebrating those small wins along the way help us feel good about the process and embracing the process of growing and becoming better. It could be your education, it could be your work, it could be your social life. By making small steps in the right direction, that in and of itself is going to make you feel better. It absolutely will. There's no denying it. Let's take this channel, for instance. I wanted to do this channel for so long. It was such a prominent idea in my head, but I never had the confidence. I never knew where to start, and ultimately I never got anywhere. But there came a time where I said, you know what? None of that matters. I need to get started. I need to do this now because it's something that I really want to do. And I can tell you, although this channel hasn't grown very much in the recent months, I don't really care because it brings me joy to be able to create these videos. And it's a sense of accomplishment. It's something that I set out for myself and I'm attaining. I'm doing. When it came to setting up this business, I needed to have this logo designed. I needed to have a website built out. I needed all of these fundamentals to get everything started. And at first, it can be a little overwhelming because you're like, where do I start? Where do I go for this? How do I do that? But over time, you learn. You figure it out. You know how to get in touch with the right people. You do your networking, and you figure it out along the way. But small little steps. Figuring out what I was going to call this channel, that was a win. Figuring out how I was going to design this logo, that was a win. Building out the website, all of these little tiny things, over time, build up to this bigger thing. And that's true for you. When you're going out and you want to start something new or you want to improve upon something that you're already doing, it's those little baby steps that compound on top of one another to create a massive success over time. And every little piece, every rung, every spoke, every brick that builds that structure is worth celebrating. Because without it, you wouldn't be in that good position. It's crucial to have those small steps along the way, and each step should be celebrated. And for those major accomplishments, if you want to go out, you want to throw a party, throw a bash, do whatever you want to do, but don't beat yourself up because you're not getting the end results right away. Understand that it's those small little steps that are going to get you that much closer. They're going to get you to that next level. Sit down, think about how you can break down your day, figure out what wins you can set up for yourself, what goals, what challenges, what obstacles you can put in your way that you can hurdle over and celebrate them on a daily basis. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to jump on my website. You can reach me at rtbtransformations.com. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make today great. Take care.